Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Natalie, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a taste test review. I haven't tried these yet, so I'm going to be trying them with you for the first time. I'm a little nervous about some of these flavors. These are all of the new Built Puffs. It is the citrus collection, 4 new flavors, and they are available right now as we speak. There are limited quantities of these flavors, so definitely if you're interested, I would pull the trigger. But let's get started. I will put up the macros as I discuss each flavor just to save some time, since I'm going to be doing all 4 in this video. If you guys like it when I do multiple flavors in one video, let me know. Or would you rather have a super quick video of single flavors? You guys let me know, but I figured since this is part of like a collection, I figured I would just do it all in one shot. So let's get started. I'll go through the flavors just quickly. So we have lemon puff, orange puff, lemon lime puff, and strawberry lemonade, which I'm honestly really excited for this one. Lemon lime, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know. Orange, I like orange, and I love lemon flavored things, so I'm really excited for this one. So let's start off with the lemon, and then at the very end, I will rank them in order what I like. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay. Or maybe if I don't like something, I'll definitely let you know. So I feel like it's really rare for me not to like something, but I definitely want to do a video on my least favorite flavors, because I do have some. But let's get started with the lemon puff. I love the puffs. I don't know. I'm a puff girl. I really love them. My husband prefers the bars, which is fine with me. So that means he'll leave my puffs alone. So let's get started here. Ooh, this looks like the one lemon flavor that came out. Oh my gosh, I'll have to look it up and I'll put it here what that one was called. And I did do a video on that as well. But oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my god, I love the lemon. I knew I was gonna like this one because when they came out with the lemon flavor before, I really loved it. So good. I'm only gonna take a bite of each one because I'm really watching my calories, so. Oh, that was really good. Let me follow that up with the lemon lime. I feel like that would go well together. And I'm drinking, actually, this actually goes perfect. I'm drinking a sparkling ice, the classic lemonade. I love these guys. If you have never had these, they are awesome. This one is 5 calories, some are 0. But I think the max is like 5 calories, maybe 10 for each bottle. So definitely check into those if you're really trying to watch your calories. I love them. I also love like AHA and bubbly. So good. All right, so this is the lemon lime. Definitely smells lemon lime. Kind of like, let me compare. So this is the lemon lime one, and this is the lemon. Kind of very similar. I wonder if they have the same coating, just different flavor on the inside. This one was in the fridge because it was really hot out when it got mailed. So 2 of them were in the fridge and 2 weren't. I'm honestly surprised I like this. It's like a nice citrus lemon lime. Nothing too strong. Not like sour or anything. Very summery. Like this, I would want to eat on the beach. I actually really like this. I'm really surprised. Very refreshing, but also I had it in the fridge, so it's cold. So I feel like with the lemon lime and the temperature of it being cold, it's very refreshing. I'm honestly surprised. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this one. Okay. I'm really surprised. All right, let's go in with the orange. I can't see myself not liking orange, but hey, you never know. And I believe there is a regular orange bar, at least there used to be. I feel like everything gets so changed up, it's hard for me to keep up, so. It smells like a creamsicle. Oh my god, I love creamsicles. Let me take another little bite. Definitely has like a, it's not I don't know, it's just not what I expected, but it's like a creamsicle. I think I was expecting something else, like of orange, but it's like literally like a creamsicle. That's what I would say. Yeah, I'm trying to like pinpoint it, but definitely smells like a creamsicle. I'm watching my calories. Yeah, I would say it's more like a creamsicle versus like orange, if that makes sense. I don't know, but it's good. That's how I would describe it, is a creamsicle. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to describe that. I would definitely say creamsicle. Okay. Strawberry lemonade. I hope this is really good. Ooh. You can see the pink. Oh my god, it smells so good. Totally smells like strawberry lemonade. Oh my god. Now this one was in the fridge too. It's so refreshing in the fridge. Honestly, I would put all of these in the fridge. Because with the citrus and then the temperature of it being cold, it's so refreshing. I'm trying to pinpoint what this tastes like. Strawberry shortcake. That's what I would call this. I don't know. Strawberry shortcake, but the citrusy. If that makes any sense. It definitely has that like lemon. I don't know. There's one I say strawberry shortcake because I feel like it's like creamy, but it's kind of like that creamsicle, right? With the orange, but you definitely get the strawberry, the citrus of that lemonade flavoring. It's really good though. It's different. I'm just trying to think of like what this reminds me of. I'm trying to think of like a dessert. I don't know. If I think of it as I'm editing this, I'll put it here, but oh my gosh. I love the pink. It matches me. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. So let me rank these. I will say because I love lemon and I really like this one, I would definitely say this is number 1. Honestly, I think it's the order that I did them in. I would definitely get the lemon and the lemon lime. So lemon's my number 1. Lemon lime the second. I would say what's tied for second would be the orange, because this is like a creamsicle and I feel like in the fridge this would be like the most refreshing thing to eat ever. But these 3 I would definitely say are my like top faves though. The strawberry lemonade I would say is my least favorite. I personally won't be buying a box of this. It's not bad or anything by that matter, but I think these are just like knock it out of the park, that this kind of is a little lackluster for me. I don't know. I just like can't pinpoint like what it tastes like, but you can definitely taste the strawberry and the lemonade. So it's like the name of it totally makes sense, but I don't know. I'm just not crazy about it. But these 3 I definitely really love, so I would definitely get myself some more of these, especially the lemon. But I think for summertime, keep these in your freezer or your fridge, or if you go to the beach, put them in your cooler, and these will be the perfect beach summer snack. Or if you go to your kids like sports games and stuff like that, keeping these cold will be so refreshing on a hot summer day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really wanted to make this video quicker and I'm sorry that I didn't. I was just really struggling on how to like describe this. It's not that it's a bad bar, it's just not up my alley. And I think the other 3 just kill it, that this kind of was like, oh, kind of disappointed in this one. But anyway, guys, you guys can use my code HKSOCKO to save. They're also having a sale right now. Buy more, save more. I will put the information right here on that. But you can also use my code on top of that. So that discount will come off, put in my code, and then additional 10% will come off of your order, and you also get free shipping. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.